Hello friends, welcome back to another yoga session. We're going to have so much fun. Let's get started. Bring the bottoms of your feet together, sit tall with a relaxed spine, and take gentle breaths while your hips loosen and your whole body begins to feel calm and peaceful. Press your forearms into the mat, raise your hips toward the sky, and breathe deeply as your shoulders grow stronger and your back stretches with every steady inhale. Rest on your back. Hold your feet softly, with bent knees, and sway gently from side to side, while your hips and lower back relax completely. Step one leg forward into a strong lunge. Lift your arms high above you, and breathe slowly as your body fills with balance, strength, and positive energy. Sink into a low squat. Keep your chest lifted, and press your hands together while calm breathing helps your hips open and your mind feels steady and clear. Stretch your arms forward along the floor. Keep your hips raised, and breathe slowly as your shoulders release tightness, and your spine feels long and relaxed. Balance carefully on one leg, extend one arm upward, and keep your breathing smooth while your body feels light, steady, and focused. Gently lift your chest toward the ceiling. Relax your neck softly, and breathe deeply as your heart opens and fresh energy flows through your body. Lie comfortably on your back, twist one knee across your body, and relax into slow breathing as your spine softens and stress slowly fades away. Lift your body sideways with strong balance, keep your core engaged, and breathe steadily while building quiet strength and calm concentration. comfortably with crossed legs. Reach your arms behind your back and breathe deeply as your shoulders loosen and tension melts from your upper body. Reach both arms overhead, lean softly to one side, and inhale deeply while the sides of your body stretch and your breathing becomes smooth and peaceful. Keep your front knee bent. Stretch one arm overhead, and breathe deeply as your chest opens wide and strong calming energy moves through your body. Lie flat on your back, pull your knees gently close to your chest, and breathe slowly while your lower back relaxes and your body feels comforted. Stand with your feet spread wide. Fold your body forward gently, and let your head relax while calm breaths release tightness from your muscles and mind. Rest on your belly with your forearms on the mat, lift your chest softly upward, and breathe steadily as your spine feels supported and relaxed. Stand tall with your legs wide and arms stretched out. Open your chest proudly, and take deep breaths while feeling energized, confident, and awake. Lie back comfortably. Bring the soles of your feet together, and relax your knees outward while slow breathing fills your body with deep rest and peace. Sit back gently on your heels. Rest your hands on your thighs, and focus on calm breathing while your mind becomes quiet and your body feels still and relaxed. Step one foot forward with your back knee resting on the mat. Open your chest gently, and take slow breaths while your hips stretch and your body feels refreshed. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye.